so much fun today. But now it's time for Orni's mission. Let's put everything away. Can you help me? Let's go! Clean up, put the toys away. We had so much fun playing today. Everything in place, tidy and neat. Cleaning with Orni is such a treat. The car in the box, the bear on the shelf. You can do it quickly all by yourself. Pick up the blocks, the doll and the ball. Our happy room is the best of all. Clean up, put the toys away. We had so much fun playing today. Everything in place, tidy and neat. Cleaning with Orni is such a treat. Look, the room is looking so beautiful. Just a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, go! Now that we're done, we have more space. A big Orni hug and a smile on your face. Help your mommy, help your daddy too. You are a champion through and through. Woohoo! Everything is clean and organized. Now Orni can rest or start a brand new game.